Hey everyone, if you're starting with no credit history or struggling to build your score, this video is for you. A year ago, I had 0 credit, and today I have a 750 credit score. And I did it without going into debt or making costly mistakes. A strong credit score is life-changing. It helps you get approved for credit cards, car loans, and mortgages. Secure lower interest rates, saving you thousands. Rent an apartment with ease. Even land a job. Some employers check credit scores. In this guide, I'll break down exactly what I did step by step so you can do the same. Before I started, I made sure to understand how credit works. Your credit score is based on 5 key factors. 1. Payment history, 35%. The most important factor. Missing even one payment can drop your score dramatically. 2. Credit utilization, 30%. This is how much of your available credit you're using. Lower is better. 3. Credit age, 15%. The longer you've had credit accounts open, the better. 4. Credit mix, 10. A combination of credit cards, loans, and other accounts helps your score. 5. New credit inquiries, 10%. Applying for too many credit cards at once can hurt your score. Since I had no credit, getting approved for a traditional credit card was impossible. Instead, I used these 3 strategies. Option 1, secured credit card. I deposited $200, $500 as collateral, which became my credit limit. Used it for small everyday purchases, like gas and groceries. Paid it off in full every month to avoid interest. Option 2, became an authorized user. Asked a family member with good credit to add me as an authorized user on their credit card. Their positive payment history boosted my score instantly. Option 3, credit builder loan. Took out a small loan, around $300, through my local credit union. Made on-time payments to show responsible credit usage. After 6 months, this helped me qualify for my first real credit card. Within 3 months, my score jumped to 650. A credit card is a tool, not free money. Here's how I used it responsibly to boost my score. Kept my utilization low, never used more than 10 to 20% of my credit limit, paid in full every month, avoided interest charges, set up auto pay, prevented late payments. Example, if my credit limit was $500, I only spent $50, $100 per month, and paid it off completely. Mistakes I avoided. Never maxed out my card. Using 100% of your limit drops your score fast. Didn't apply for too many cards at once. Every application adds a hard inquiry, which lowers your score. After 6 months, my credit score hit 700. Once my score was above 700, I applied for a better credit card with higher rewards, no annual fees, a higher credit limit. Here's what happened. I requested a credit limit increase. My $500 limit became $2,000. I opened a second credit card, helped increase my available credit and improve my credit mix. Why this works. Higher credit limits mean lower utilization, which boosts your score. More accounts increase your credit mix, improving your rating. Once I reached 750, I kept my score high and stable by following these rules. Kept old accounts open. Closing credit cards can hurt your credit. Age. Made 100% on-time payments, no exceptions. Avoided unnecessary debt. Just because I had more credit didn't mean I spent more. Used Experian Boost. Got extra points for paying my phone, utilities, and streaming bills on time. Bonus, how to build credit even faster. If you want to speed up the process, try these extra credit hacks. Use rent and bills to build credit. Services like Experian Boost and Self let you report rent, utilities, and even Netflix to help your score. Monitor your credit score monthly. I used Credit Karma to check my progress and spot mistakes early. Dispute errors on your credit report. 1 in 5 people have errors on their report that lower their score. Check yours at annual credit report. Final steps, how you can do it too. If you're starting with no credit or bad credit, here's your action plan. 1. Start with a secured card or become an authorized user. 2. Use only 20% of your credit limit. 3. Always pay your bill on time. Set up auto pay. 4. Keep old accounts open to build your credit history. 5. Limit hard inquiries. Don't apply for too much credit at once. 6. Use Experian Boost to get extra points. In just 1 year, you could go from 0 to 752. Your turn. Start building your credit today. Building credit doesn't have to be hard. Follow these steps, stay disciplined, and in 12 months, you could have a 750 plus score too. Comment below if you have any questions about building credit. Like and subscribe for more financial tips. Let's get that 750 plus score together.